What's up, YouTube? I want to thank all my 25 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. I just started YouTube for a few days, and having 25 subscribers for me personally is already a huge milestone. Anyways, cut to the chase. I'm actually considering competing in men's physique in a competition that is strictly drug tested, blood tested, urine tested, blah blah blah, to keep it, 100% natural. And I really want every single one of you to be in my journey. I'll be cutting for around 10 to 12 weeks to see how my conditioning is. Right now, my body fat is about 16 to 17%, I guess, because I can't really see my lower abs. But yeah, I'll be cutting down fully after 12 weeks, hopefully. So today's training will be mainly shoulder oriented, only 2 chest exercises in the beginning. And then everything will be focusing on shoulders. I just hope that my training plan can help you guys a little. And be mindful, it is kind of taxing on your body when you first get into it because there's a lot of exercises and movement. So let's get into it. So the first exercise is the dumbbell bench press. You want to keep your elbows about 45 degrees, not flared out, in order to protect your shoulders and hit the chest better. Remember, we're training for mechanical tension, so always control the weight, especially on the way down. Pick a weight you can do for about 8 to 12 reps and make sure those last few reps are actually challenging. The next exercise is the machine chest press. I like using the machine after dumbbells because now I can really just focus on pushing and keep constant tension on the chest. Same thing here, control the weight, never slam the stack. I'm still staying at 8 to 12 rep range and taking every set close to failure. Next, I'm going into seated dumbbell front raises to hit the front delts, which also get worked a lot during chest day. I like doing these seated so I don't use momentum. Keep the reps slow and controlled. Raise about shoulder height and really feel the muscles working. I like doing these after chest because it really gives you the separation between the front delt and the chest. So the next exercise is machine shoulder press, but right before I started the set, my friend just randomly farted, so I didn't say a word, but I'm not gonna lie, it smelled crazy, so I have to walk away for a second. Alright, we're back. Same thing, control the weight, but don't lock out too hard at the top. Keep the tension on the shoulders. And I usually do them about 8 to 10 reps, usually heavier because I want to exhaust my shoulder. Next up is the seated side delt raises to really target the medial delts and help build that wide shoulder look. I'm staying seated so I don't use momentum, just straight muscle. Slight bend in the arms, lift to about shoulder height and control it on the way down. I'm going higher reps here, around 12 to 15, and focusing on keeping constant tension instead of going heavy. And finally, to finish the workout, I'm using the reverse pec deck to hit the rear delts. Keep your chest against the pad, slight bend in the arms, and think about pulling your elbows instead of your hands. Slow and controlled. And really squeeze your rear delts at the back. Training rear delts is super important for shoulder balance and posture, especially when you do a lot of chest and pressing. All of these exercises are 4 to 5 sets, and that's it for today's workout. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you. Leave a like, drop a comment, and if you have any questions, please ask. And subscribe to the channel for more workouts like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.